Only 1% of people can guess all these rare flags correctly. Are you one of them? What flag is this? It's Bhutan, the land of the thunder dragon. This is the only country that measures gross national happiness instead of GDP. How about this one? That's Eswatini, formerly known as Swaziland. It's one of the last absolute monarchies on Earth. The king once banned divorce. Can you guess this one? It's Kiribati, pronounced Kiribati. This tiny Pacific nation is the first place on Earth to see the sunrise each day. Do you know this flag? That's Turkmenistan, home to the Gates of Hell, a gas crater that's been burning non-stop since 1971, 50 years of fire. And this one? It's Mozambique, the only country in the world with an AK-47 on its national flag, a symbol of the fight for independence. Any ideas for this one? That's Nauru, the world's smallest island nation, just 21 square kilometers. It was once the richest country per capita thanks to bird droppings. Let's see if you know this one. It's Dominica, not the Dominican Republic. This Caribbean gem has 365 rivers, one for every day of the year. Nature's paradise. What about this one? That's Uganda, known as the Pearl of Africa, home to half the world's mountain gorilla population, absolutely incredible wildlife. Think you know this one? It's Antigua and Barbuda. This tiny Caribbean nation boasts 365 beaches, one for every day of the year. Beach lovers, take notes. Final challenge. Can you guess it? Final challenge. An orange eagle soaring over red, black, and orange stripes. This country is home to Victoria Falls, the world's largest waterfall. Can you guess it? Drop your answer.